Hello all my dear students, how are you all? I hope you all are be fine. Now see the remaining part 3, the remaining part 3 of the chapter 3. Let's start the part 3, section 3. The older folk were alerted by the screams and the shrieks, and the ladies held up their long skirts to run, and the men rolled up their sleeves, and soon the whole village stood togetherly in a tight huddle at the foot of the hill and stirring up the large beast with the mouths held open. The whole villagers were gathered there, and standing togetherly, the ladies caught their long skirts. The ladies held up their long skirts on high and ran towards here and there. The men rolled up their sleeves of shirts, and soon the whole villagers stood togetherly. दे फ्राइटन एंड दे कॉट टाइटन ईच अदर। उन्होंने एक दूसरे को कस के पकड़ा हुआ था। सारे गांव वाले वहाँ पे इकट्ठे हो चुके थे, वो डरे हुए थे और वो देख रहे थे एट द फुट ऑफ द हिल, उस ड्रैगन रॉक के पास में। एंड दे वर वॉचिंग इट ऑल स्टेयरिंग अप एट द लार्ज बीस्ट। इस बहुत बड़े ड्रैगन एनिमल को वो खुले हुए मुंह से सरप्राइजली देख रहे थे। आहा की जैसे आवाज़ें आ रही थी। द नॉइज बिकम वेरी हाई फ्रॉम द ड्रैगन and the dragon getting up from a long sleep now. The families gripped each other tighter and shut their eyes. Families member ने एक दूसरे को बहुत कस के पकड़ा हुआ था. Grip tightly, caught tightly each other and closed their eyes. They were afraid. The sneeze blasted from the dragon like a rocket. छींक आती है अचानक से. Sneeze छींक आना. Sneeze blasted from the dragon like a rocket. अचानक से ड्रैगन को बहुत तेज़ी से air come from very fast from the nose and blasted from the dragon like a rocket and throwing it back 50 paces causing a whirlwind of the dust। अचानक से एक धूल आंधी का एक जैसे whirlwind बहुत तेज जिसे कहीं एक चक्रवात टाइप सा आता है। एंड द सेकेंड ब्लास्ट स्प्लिट ओपन द ड्राई अर्थ, और इसी तरह दूसरा ब्लास्ट होता है सूखी हुई धरती पर। एंड नाउ and sending explosion of soil and trees roots high into the sky and something else too. The people heard the sound but couldn't recognize it at first, for it had been such a long time since their ears and heard such tickling melody। and this type of explosion, इस तरह का जो एकदम से एक्सप्लोज होना, इस तरह से मिट्टी और ट्रीज़ की रूट्स बहुत तेज़ी से उड़ती है और जैसे स्काई में जाती हैं, तेजी का जो धमाका होता है, एक्सप्लोजन होता है, उससे मिट्टी और पेड़ों की जड़ें जैसे उखड़ जाती है। एंड द पीपल हर्ड द साउंड बट कुडंट रिकग्नाइज इट। हालांकि लोगों ने ये आवाज़ सुनी लेकिन ये पहचान नहीं पाई कि किस चीज़ की आवाज़ है। दे डिडंट लिसन इट बिफोर दैट। उन्होंने इससे पहले कभी इस तरह की आवाज़ नहीं सुनी थी। एंड it at first, for it had been such a long time since their ears had heard such tickling melody. As their eyes widened and wondered, their smiles turned into the grins, and then yahoo and hurrays. And now, after a long time, they listened this type of melodious voice as their eyes widened in wonder. उनकी आंखें आश्चर्य से बड़ी हो गई थी, खुली रह गई थी. Their smile turned into the grins and their yahoos and hurrays. And they had a good smile on their faces, and they were crying in happy mood, in a joyfully, that hooray, yahoo, the water, cold, clearing spring water. Why they were crying? Because they found the water, cold, clear spring water. Ooh. Then tickled and roared along with a valley floor. And the water was coming on the dry valley, so the villagers become very happy. The torrent knocked over a farmer's haystacks, but they didn't care. This fast flow of water blew the haystacks, जो grass bundles होता है वो बह गए, but farmers didn't care about it. The river carried the school teachers' bike shade, but they don't care about it. And ladies also cried with their joy and laughter. The men hooted and whistled their caps in the air. They were making the enjoy when they find the water like what used to be a dirty brown dust bowl now gleamed and glistened। अब जो ये अब तक की ड्राई डर्टी ब्राउनिश बाउल जो कि वैली थी, now their eyes fills with the shine and happiness। The sunlight sending playful waves and ripples across the lake and inviting all to share। Now they had the water lake. It's so like it. They just want to share with the sunlight, and sending playful waves become very high in a small wave, and they find the water lake from the dragon. Sighted the dragon. Sleepy showing his perfected, seeing I'm back. इस तरह से ड्रैगन मानो ये बता रहा हो कि वो एक गहरी नींद से जागा है, वो इस तरह से आवाज़ें कर रहा है. एंड नाउ and he and he lumbered forward with its surprising grace and style and disappeared. Surprising, moved very heavy way in a very beautiful way forward with surprising grace, with a grace and glory on the face and style, and disappeared into the cool dark water. And he was not exist and was completely disappeared in this cool dark water. In a small wave of the cloth, they don't find a small part of the body of dragon. He is now become disappeared in this lake, and they never saw again him. उन्होंने फिर उसे कभी नहीं देखा. वो बड़े स्टाइल से बड़ी move very majestically and go inside the water lake and become disappeared, and they never saw him again. और उन्होंने उसे फिर कभी नहीं देखा. After the families had restored they built their houses and village again. Families फिर से अपना rebuild किया अपने huts and village को. They erected a bandstand on a monument in the spot where the dragon used to lie. Every year to mark the occasion, they would bring garlands of the flowers and herbs and arrange them in a big circle. The children would have day of the water dragon day. After the families, when they restored their village and rebuilt their village, they make a beautiful platform as a bandstand in the memory of the dragon, as a moment in the spot, as a monument in the spot where the dragon generally sleep. Every year to celebrate the occasion, every year they celebrate this occasion, they would bring garlands of the flowers, the फूलों की माला वहाँ पे रखते, herbs, arrange them in a big circle. उसी तरह गोलाई में जिस तरह से उन्होंने ड्रैगन पे किया था, ड्रैगन रॉक पे, and flowers and herbs and arrange them in a big circle. The children would have the day off. उस दिन बच्चों की छुट्टी होती थी, वेकेशन होता था, on occasion on the water dragon day. And wearing the dragon mask they had been working on all weeks, they would skip and clap and sing, and they celebrate the day very joyfully and enjoy on that day, on this day and this week, working on all week, and they celebrate the day with happily, sing the prayers and rhymes what they sing on that time of. The dragon helped us, as we said he would do. Hooray for the dragon! Echo, echo. And that is the end of the story. Thanks to all.